I am the daughter of Zeus, born into my father's forehead, and I am my father's favorite child. I am a resident of Mount Olympus who protects the city and civilized life. I was the one who invented the olive tree and gave it to the city. I am a relative of Persephone, Helen, and Aphrodite, a lover of Hephaestus, and I likely wants humanity to keep progressing and learning.
I did
not need any object of mechanism, and I often depicted with helmet, shield, and spear, with an awl on my shoulder. But I didn't require them at all. I am the goddess of war, handicrafts, knowledge, and wisdom. I was a pageant goddess of heroic Endeavor and was believed to have aided the Hesperus, Miracles, Bellerophon, and Jason. I am Athena, the warrior goddess.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. 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 Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.